If you are in need of a Tesla-approved Cybertruck collision repair in Bridgeview, Illinois, you've come to the right place. At TechniCraft Collision Repair Experts, we specialize in repairing Tesla vehicles, including the Cybertruck, to meet Tesla's exacting standards. Our shop is Tesla certified, which means we have the training, equipment, and experience needed to restore your Cybertruck after a car accident. The Tesla Cybertruck is made with an advanced exoskeleton design and ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel. Our team is fully equipped to repair this unique structure and bring your Cybertruck back to its original condition. We use genuine Tesla parts and follow approved repair procedures to ensure safety and performance are fully restored. From frame damage to body panel repairs, we handle every aspect of collision damage for the Cybertruck. Our team also works with Tesla-approved diagnostics to handle high-voltage systems and ensure everything is functioning as intended. If repairs are needed for areas like your suspension or any of your advanced Tesla sensors, we can expertly handle that as well. Your Cybertruck's technology, like Tesla's autopilot systems and cameras, requires precision calibration, and we provide that service as part of the repair process. We also make sure the Cybertruck's exterior finish matches perfectly, using approved paint techniques for its unique design. Contact TechniCraft Collision Repair Experts today to schedule a repair estimate. If you need Tesla-approved Cybertruck collision repair in Bridgeview, Illinois, trust us to get the job done right. Call us today.